So welcome back to my channel, and today again I have got something super exciting for anyone who is looking to work from home and also be a part of AI revolution. So today we are talking about Alignerr. As you can see it on my screen, it's a platform where you can earn from anywhere around the world by helping train artificial intelligence. So just let's dive deep into it. It is a platform which is powered by Labelbox. So Labelbox is a company which generally do data labeling, AI language, AI training, or even language work. So Alignerr is a part of this organization, and the like to train AI again in um, with Alignerr, you don't need to be any tech expert as long as you are willing to follow certain instructions and work carefully. So some projects, like many other companies into AI, depending on the complexity and the skill set you have, they pay you either per hour or they pay you per task. And so you can go on alignerr.com, you can visit their page and register yourself. Let me show you some of the jobs which are available. So the best part about this company is that they are not just looking for AI experts, but also like experts into certain areas like physics, chemistry. If you look here, this vacancy is for chemistry expert, which can enhance AI models through specialized tasks. They are paying around 25 to $150. Then we have climate science domain expert. So if you look, chemical engineering expert, advanced calculus AI expert. So the pay range is really good here. They are looking for biochemistry domain expert. Again, very specialized knowledge, and the pay rate is really good. Algebra expert, analytical chemistry expert, COBOL AI system expert. So, like, even if you are not totally a tech person, but coming from different, have good expertise in areas of physics, chemistry, law, or even medicine, you can look for vacancies here, which keeps on updating from time to time. And depending on your expertise, you can easily find a job on this website. So the minimum paid scale is $25, which can go up to $150. Yeah, so this website, you can again go here. Sign up process is really easy. You go on the website, you do the sign up. Here you upload your resume. They'll verify your phone number. They'll review your profile, your identity, and there are few subject matter tests on which you will be working depending on the vacancy you are applying in, and you can get paid uh, very well by just working from home. So this was one of the opportunity which I wanted to discuss with you. And as I always say, this is just one part, or this is just one company which I wanted to share with you. And as always, I will again come up with more and more information and job offers which are available in this AI job revolution. And as again, I always say, there are some job offers which requires good technical skills, the others do not. There are some jobs which require very good communication skills in English, while the other requires it um, expertise in any other language. So if you are serious about earning from AI revolution, I would request you to hit that subscribe and like button. And in case if you have any questions, please put it in the chat box and I would love to answer it. Thank you so much, and hopefully I will see you soon. Thank you.